gari ikipita hiyo vumbi yote inaingia kwa watoto. So I'm requesting in the name of God MCA, hiyo barabara kama mtatusaidia isimwagie watoto vumbi. Number 2, I want to talk about the welfare of private schools in Embakasi Central, because tumeongea about Imara, tumeongea the others, but what about the many private schools in Embakasi Central? Yes. When I came here, nataka kuwapatia story how I came here. Mimi nilikuwa
tukienda hiyo story utakuwa umekosea hapa kwa sababu ya kuchelewa, because when you are coming ulikuwa unakuja public participation ya nini, na wewe mwalimu kama umesoma, we are talking about public participation concerning public money, not concerning private money.
Mheshimiwa, allow me to just highlight a point. Thank you. I was not saying the public to give us private schools money, but I was requesting our member of parliament to protect us private schools, kwa sababu we are providing job opportunities to the people of Kayole Central, Embakasi Central. Na sasa hao watu tumeandika, tuko na cooks, tuko na walimu. Now
what do you want me to protect you from?
That's what
Dialect to the point. Protect us from this person is grabbing our hand. Protect us from this person is doing this.
Thank you.
Okay.
What I wanted to say, some of our schools to rent from the landlords. Nataka tusikizane hapo. Wakati tumepata changa, for example, corona ama mambo imekuja, you'll find the landlords, they just throw us out. Na ni watoto tuko na wao.
Walimu